In this video, I'm going to show you the exact recipe Benihana uses to make their homemade teriyaki sauce. Now, I've worked at Japanese restaurants for years, and this version is different from any other teriyaki sauce I've ever seen before. And while Benihana may use some unconventional ingredients, the great news is you should be able to find pretty much everything you need at any grocery store. So let's hop into the recipe. Okay, for roughly 3 cups of sauce, we'll start with 1 cup or 240 milliliter Kikkoman brand soy sauce in a medium pot. Then add 1/2 cup or 120 milliliter sake, 5 teaspoons or 25 grams ketchup, 1 cup or 240 milliliters mirin, 3 tablespoons or 16 grams apple juice, and 1 pinch black pepper. Then add 1 cup or 200 grams white sugar and stir until the sugar has completely dissolved. Then bring the mixture up to a simmer over medium heat for approximately 10 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, take 1/3 cup or 42 gram cornstarch and whisk in 1/3 cup or 80 milliliters of water until they are combined. After the teriyaki mixture has simmered for 10 minutes, whisk the corn slurry once again to make sure it hasn't settled at the bottom of the bowl, and slowly drizzle it into the sauce. It should thicken within a minute or two, but if it's not thick enough for you, continue to simmer until the sauce reaches the desired consistency. Then remove it from the heat, let it cool down, and store in a container in the fridge for up to 1 week. And that's it. That is the exact recipe directly from Benihana. Now next week, we're going to use this sauce to make teriyaki chicken and teriyaki steak, so stay tuned. And if you want more Benihana and hibachi recipes, make sure to check out this playlist. Thanks for watching. See you next time.